Hey everyone, come join us. We're going to have a pirate night on the Disney Wish. We're doing Halloween on the high seas. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's go.
Roaring to the sky! And swing to the left! And right! And loudly shout, "Arr!"
Arr! Wow! That is fierce!
So with us, can you be pirate this? Show a crew, you know what to do!
Since it sounds like you want more, do we have an agreement?
Agreed.
Then I say that the captain's challenge officially begins! Now remember, you're part of Mickey and Minnie's pirate crew. Whatever the test, respond loud and proud.
You can do it, crew. I know you can.
Do exactly as we do.
This is me. Test this so-called pirate crew. Aye, aye, Captain Hook. Look lively, you swabs. Now, the first thing any real pirate knows is that when a captain gives you an order or asks you a question, what do you say? Aye, aye, Captain. What? Aye, aye, Captain. Correct. Impossible. Lucky guess. Smee, give them the next one. And make this one especially rough. Got it? Aye, aye, Captain. Oh, I just gave the answer to the last question. Yes, sir, Captain, sir. Here's the next test. And it's a good one. All true pirates enjoy a good celebration. Aye. If you are real pirates, let the captain see a true pirate jig. Show 'em, crew, and make it big. That's the way. You do it, boy. No, it can't be. Smee, tell me I'm seeing things. If you saw some very impressive footwork, Captain, then we're both seeing things. I'm to end this. A real pirate must be fierce. You heard him. He wants to know, can you be pirate fierce?
Sure, crew, you know what to do.
Yo ho, the pirates are fly.
They scared the witch out of me. No. Yes. That was the right answer, Captain. So help me, Smee. I've got it. Prepare for your date with the flag. Tell me, what do true pirates love the most? Treasure!
Now shake it, crew, from coast to coast!
This can't be happening!
Oh, that's it, Cap.
And it just did.
There he goes.
Come on, Captain, back to Neverland.
Where's she going?
Now, which direction is it from here? Ooh.
Goodbye, Captain
With the codfish out of the way and this here ship back in your control, I'd say it's time to continue celebrating your brilliant new crew.
I'm three cheers for our new crew.
Congratulations, you're officially part of the Dimity Pirate Crew! What kind crew you be? What do you think they are?
Pirates Night. Monster. Ooh. All right. They don't have the pirate, or what's the rest of the show called? Till 10:15. It's 8:18, so it's 2 hours. So we're gonna see what the kids want to do and go from there.
And the horse together for the most rockin' pirates around. Yo ho, yo ho. Yo ho, yo ho. Yo ho, yo ho. Pirates like glory. Yo ho.
Ready up, son, Jackal.
Parlay.
Get yourself down in that Sparrow.
Captain Jack Sparrow. Did you say something about a treasure?
On the 13th day of the 9th month, find 4 captains of the Caribbean Sea. Parlay, they will call out. That is the key. Take thy hand on this scroll and yell out, yo ho! Then a sparkling treasure you shall remove. Yo ho!
Yo ho!
Yo ho!
Yo ho!
Yo ho! A pirate's life for me!
Alright, so we didn't stay for the entire pirate party, but we got the best part, I think. They just do a couple songs after it. Went on for about 15 minutes more, but both kids are super, super tired. Steve's got Boston, so he's coming up behind us. It was kind of a mad horde to get out. Ava. But Ava stayed up, Boston stayed up. They both were awake, and like...
I was sleeping, but the noise made me wake up. Guys
Boston
talking.
wasn't sleeping though, and he wasn't like asking to go to bed. So we said, do you want to go to bed or do you want to get your shoes on? And he picked up his shoes, and then he was dancing around and walking around, and he enjoyed it. So we stayed up for Pirate Night. We have one more night of late nights, and then it's early morning, and we're off the ship. I can't believe it's like almost over. Ava, are you sad?
I'm gonna sleep in once we get off the ship.
We're gonna go home and just sleep. But it's a school day.
No,
It's Monday.
today's not Monday.
Yeah, when we get off the ship, it will be Monday.
That will be Sunday.
No, tomorrow's Sunday. You missed our door. So, we are tucking in for the night, but thanks for hanging out with us on Pirate Day, Day 2. Disney Wish, huh, Eva?
Yes, I'm tired.
Has it
and
been a wish?
sunburned.
A wish come true.
Maybe.
Oh,